So I hope everyone had a wonderful Christmas break. And I'm back in the shop doing some shop organization stuff. The first thing I'm going to do, one of my chainsaws has been living under here in this mess for quite a bit. So I'm going to make a rack that I can hang it here or possibly over there. Haven't decided yet. Either way, that's what I'm going to do. Chainsaws up off the floor, I can organize this space a little bit better and have a little bit more shelf space. Again, another project I should have done a long time ago. Now on to the next thing. Now this water cooler here, I don't actually have the water cooler part of it plugged in because it's usually cool enough, but I actually use it fairly often for just like getting a couple rags to, damp a rag for wipe and glue, that type of stuff. So I'll leave it there. Kind of debating building a bit of a shelf for that to sit on. I get it up a little higher so I don't have to bend down to plug stuff in and adjust it. And then I can use the space underneath it maybe to put that vacuum there. These boxes, I'm going to move them because they're always in the way. Move them in behind my router table, I think. This is one of those things that collected over the years, and I keep them around because they are super handy for storing stuff or for throwing things in to take to a job site or into the house or whatever, right? When they don't have anything in them, then they just kind of kick around and get in the way. So back here is an unutilized space because I need to do some rearranging, but anyway, onwards and upwards. And here's one of those. Why don't they store stuff like this anymore? I'm not sure how old these are. Look at those auger bits. Aren't those beautiful? They don't make boxes and storage stuff like that. It's all blow molded plastic and crap now. So there's CI Fall from Sweden. They've been making tools since 1894 or something like that. So long time. Why don't we give it a try? Which one should we try here? Let's do 14/16, 15/16, 16/16. That'd be an inch. Fresh out of the box. I don't know how long it's been in there. At a bare minimum, 20, 30 years. Yeah, this one's got a cool ratcheting feature, I believe. There we go. On the right way. A little harder when the screw isn't dragging the wood down. I wonder if we can sharpen that up a little. So I'm no expert, so don't follow my example. You can kind of feel how a file rests on the flat that's there. Trying not to get these knickers here. I'll take that off there, so like that. That'll work. Now let's see if I ruin these or not. Let's start a new hole, see what it does. Well, I don't know if I did any good, but I didn't do any harm. It didn't seem to be any better or worse. I have to look up how to sharpen auger bits, I guess. Probably would help if I used a finer file, maybe. But I'm assuming that's how it would have been done in the old days, because that is definitely the scratch pattern that was on there. Anyway, on to something else. But before I put those away, those are pretty cool. Just need to learn how to sharpen them.